So even in eco mode, this car has plenty of pull. But very, very quiet when I'm not nailing it. So I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and dial it into sport mode now. This all-wheel drive really is hugging this road. It's awesome. And these turbos really do work. When they kick in, it throws you right back in the seat. But I really like the overall ride quality in here. It's not stiff at all, like I would expect. And the seats really do hug your torso, so it doesn't make it, you're not moving all over the place, if that makes sense. Yeah, it sounds great. And you really don't feel any shift lag either. With the paddle shifters, it just keeps going, and I really like that. Yeah, very, very fast. I'm gonna put it back into drive, and I'm gonna dial the mode into smart. But this really is a good car that you could use for a daily driver. And just keeping it smart or eco mode, and then on the weekends if you want to test it out, it really does just become a sports car. And it's really nice that you're able to get the best of both worlds with this Stinger. But this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Kia Stinger GT all-wheel drive.